Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm going to show you the Personalised Embroidery Kit, what's in it and how it works. This is one that I have been working on for some time, and I have translated this very small photograph, black and white photograph from 1970, onto this fabric and have populated it with stitch in places that I have chosen to. So I've worked from black and white and put it into colour. You can choose which way you want to do it. It is easier to work from colour to colour, to be honest. So what's included in the kit and how does it work? So you would choose your photograph. This kit is unique in that it works from your photograph. So it could be a photograph of anything. It could be a loved one, it could be a portrait, it could be a family scene, it could be a landscape, a favourite place maybe, or even your house or a building. It could be absolutely anything. So you send the photo to me either digitally or by post, it's fine, whichever way you want to get it to me. I then digitally enhance it, scan it in and get it into a position where it's going to be easy for you to work from and that I can print it onto the fabric. This is no larger than a fat quarter, so it's around 75 by 45 centimetres. If you think that's a little too large for you and it's a bit daunting at first, you can go smaller, that's absolutely fine as long as we don't go larger. That's basically the size of the maximum size. So it will take some time. It is quite a large project, but it is lovely to get your teeth stuck into something like this, and it is a sense of achievement at the end of it. So what's included in the box? So basically we've got your design onto fabric, which is included in the box as well. So here's the box. What I then do is then I look at your photograph and I pick 20 DMC high quality embroidery skeins to go with your photo, so to help you to achieve the best results. Also, you will get a thread guide, so you will get a picture, so sort of an A4 version of your picture, and I actually annotate it with where each colour thread goes, so it's a bit like painting by numbers. If you don't need that, that's fine, but that's included to help you, just in case you get any moments where you think, I wonder where that would go. So also there's a pack of DMC needles. These are the ones that I use. Feel free to